Good morning, fourth graders. I hope you had an amazing Easter break. You took some time and got some sleep, spent some time with some family, and I hope you're ready for another week of online learning. I'm going to show you what we're going to do this week, okay? So, like I told you in our Zoom on Thursday, here is a guess when baby Brinka is going to be born, okay? There's a little video right here that talks about how to do it. And then when you click on this link, it will open up a calendar or a Google Slides that has a calendar in it. And you can take a guess at when you think baby Brinka will be born and how much you think she's going to weigh. Okay, so a little fun activity for you to do. Here is our assignments for the week. Okay, so everything that you need to accomplish throughout the week, it's right there. We don't have school on Monday because of Easter. So we'll be starting on Tuesday. Okay, first thing, obviously watch this video. And then we have Farmer Boy chapter 13, 14. We're going to do topic 13, lesson 5 for math. And then in social studies, we're reading lesson 2 and learning about the New Deal and a new war. And then we also have our journal entries. Okay, on your journal entries, remember, we're writing 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, a lot of you are doing an amazing job of getting in and writing every day, but some of us are only writing one word, one sentence answers. Okay, try to write more, whether that be one whole big paragraph or 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, you want to be able to look back on this journal and remember your time, your life during this historical time in history. Okay, so try to stretch for more than 1 or 2 sentences. Okay, on Wednesday, we're reading Farmer Boy chapter 15, 16, answering those questions. We're going to learn about commas and quotations this week in writing. Okay, there is a Google Slides activity that you're going to do. Here's a video that kind of walks you through it on what to do, but you're not going to do the whole activity today. Today, Wednesday, we're going to do slides 1 through 10, and then I'll drag this down to Thursday on Thursday morning, and then Thursday you'll do slides 11 through 20 to finish it off. Okay, so don't do the whole thing today or on Wednesday, but we'll do 1 through 10 on Wednesday, 11 through 20 on Thursday. And then there's a video here that kind of explains it, so don't forget to watch the video. We're also going to be reading and learning about the Northeast region. So if you click on this link, we're on on Wednesday, we're going to learn about the Northeast region, learning about the different foods and way of life and all that kind of stuff. So then we also have Khan Academy. Okay, with Khan Academy, remember, I can see how many minutes you're working. Just because you're logged in doesn't mean that it's actually logging your minutes. So you might be in Khan Academy for 20 minutes, but you only did 2 minutes of work. And Khan Academy shows me that you were only working for 2 minutes. So if you turn it in without doing any work, I'm going to send it back to you and say, sorry, I can't give you a grade. Okay, so make sure you're actually doing your work. 20 minutes of work. On Thursday, we are going to do, for math, topic 13, lesson 6. It is solving perimeter and area. And then you have silent reading. And then obviously I'm going to drag down our commas and quotations down here. So you'll do commas and quotations, finishing that activity off. And then we're going to do the Northeast region study guide. So if you click on this Google Slides, it's going to open up. And what you're going to do is you're going to type in the boxes on the next couple slides to type in your answers. Okay, so here we're looking at this map of the Northeast region. Well, I want you to tell you what state this is. So on number 1, you're going to double click here and type in whatever state that is. Okay, and then you'll finish off the rest. And then you don't have to do anything else. Once you type in here, you don't need to save it or anything. It automatically saves for me. Okay, on this one, we're doing abbreviation, the capital cities. All the capital cities are down here. Okay, And then here is just a little song type thing to help you remember where they're at. Okay, and then there's a couple slides of that. Okay, so there is your study guide. Sorry about that background noise. My husband is putting new windows in. And then on Friday, again, we're going to do Khan Academy. And then you're going to take a Mastery Connect over commas and quotations. You're going to do some silent reading again. And then here is a Kahoot for the Northeast region. And then also a bunch of websites for you to practice your states and capitals in the Northeast region. Okay? So, also one more thing. Please do not resubmit all your work. Okay? Once you have submitted it for me, I've graded it, and I've returned it to you, you don't need to keep resubmitting. Okay? Don't resubmit it. Once it's been graded and handed back to you, you can leave it and don't need to resubmit it all the time. Okay? So let me know if you have any questions, and have a great week.